Tablesaw! Beware of Tablesaw! Tablesaw! Beware of Tablesaw!
It's right.
Tablesaw! And Razorback! Beware! Beware of Tablesaw!
Makes me so happy, Jacob!
Tablesaw! Beware of Tablesaw! Double trouble! Beware! Double trouble! Beware! Tablesaw! Beware of Tablesaw! Beware of Tablesaw! Yeah!
It's fun to get your foot trapped in the rebar just in the middle of
Oh, the foot strap!
you just like hitting your. Look at that beard. Oh, no, he looks like a bad boy.
Beware of Tablesaw, kayakers! It is rough today!
I'd really be on the river right now than we were yesterday. Because it's raining and I feel like more of a bad boy.
I raft when it's raining. Look like Clark Kent.
I want my name to be Tyson. I want my name to be Tyson.
Michael Tyson.
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 Tyson good. Tell this guy right here. Hello?
Tell him loud.
I hate wearing pants! Did you see his face? Beware of Tablesaw! I hate pants.
I hate wearing pants.
I'm not wearing underwear.
I told you.
That wasn't nearly exciting. Hey, let's go back across there. Come on, that wasn't nearly exciting enough.
Let's go backwards.
Backwards. Let's go backwards. Back.
Look at that vein right there.
It's not supposed to happen.
That's crazy. Shotgun still. I don't like wearing pants. In the evening.
We don't want his honker.
I don't.
Hey Alex, let me ask you something. Woo! If that spare tire was made out of Barky's spare ribs, would you eat it?
Yeah. I watched it and that's called Budweiser.
I know, I sure would.
Hey!
What, huh?
Third string! You've always been sitting on the bench all game!
Today,
You're gonna be playing some football!
you can throw the football.
Remember that?
Yeah, it's good. Go roll down, hurry! Ah! Oh. What a loser! Hey, show me. Wait, what was the guy? So the guy in a Beetle, and we're like, is this gonna be a hot chick? No, it's a dude doing this.
I there's a hot chick driving that Beetle. I turn around and look, it's a
But it's a guy doing it, I can't. Man, I love this music.
hook it hard! Like a semi-truck! Dodge Ram, 2 feet. Oh, shoot. Get his shirt off. You don't see him?
Barely button.
You don't see him?
Hey, wave.
That's a little.
Wave at me. Look at the spare tire on the front.
I know.
It's on the front of the car.
Yeah.
I'll roll that window down, Keeg. Can't see it. Oh, it's gone away. Whoa.
Just let him drive. Just enjoy the ride. It's fun. Is it fun, Alex? I think so.
I think it's freaking unexpected negligence.
I've always loved it when I like it when it goes fast.
Where am I?
God, I'm already lost. As soon as we get off the road. Oh, God! I don't know where I'm at now.
You really love me. Hey, this takes you out of 113.
Nah.
We're home.
Oh, yeah, here we are.
We're home.
Make a funny face. Oh, there he is.
What's my name?
Fishtail. Jimmy. Dale.
That's right, baby.
Dale. He's like, say down Earnhardt. Oh, there he goes. He's gone.
Going round in my head, and I never really paid attention what you said, no. And now I wish that I would have said goodbye, but it's much too late. And all I do is give, and all you do is take. Gotta look before you leave. Oh, yeah.
I'm getting a Jedi braid. I'm gonna braid it. It's gonna come down here and I'm gonna braid it. And I'm gonna get a big beard and I'm gonna get me some rope sandals. Then I'm gonna be me a rafting guide.
You can just see your eyes right now, dude. It's
I'm gonna be a
look at this view.
I'm gonna be a rafting guide until the day I die. I ain't never gonna not be one. I'm gonna be 85 years old after in that rafting water, going crazy. Going down. I got one more thing to say before this video's over. You know what that is?
What's that?
Beware of Tablesaw!
Take a good look at your so-called friends, yeah. That's a company you keep. They got what's coming at you from all sides.